You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word. This is. Let's break down the pronunciation. In English it comes from French, but rayon is how it's said in French. Now in English, British English says it as rayon, ray, on. Now American English in the US, they say it more with an on sound, as in rayon, rayon, or British English again in the UK, rayon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.